Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Beta,
Good afternoon, sir.
we all have completed exercise 5.3.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir, what we will do today?
Good afternoon.
Sir, we have completed exercise. Sir, we are on exercise 5.4. So we have done the first question, first one. And sir, we have not done the second one. You said we have done a lot of practice. B1 we have not done. You said.
दो तीन
If you have to
पुर करी है उनने. Sorry, beta.
Sir,
Tell
today
me
we
again. Sorry. Yeah.
Sir, in
We
the
have to.
previous class we have done till sir 5.4 A1. Sir, we have not do the B1. You said
Yes.
we have done a lot.
Let's do 5.4. Have we all done 5.4 A part?
Yes, sir, we have
Yes,
done
sir.
A part.
Yes, sir.
A
Sir, you
part.
have said
All the questions you have done.
yes, sir, we have done
All the questions of A part you have done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, B1 you have said we have done a lot of practice, so we not do. Sir, today we will start 5.5 exercise.
Okay, then can you all please send your answers of all the 6 parts of exercise 5.4 A, question A, all the 6 parts.
Sir, we
Send
have
the
sent you
answers in the
in the
chat.
previous. Sir, we have sent you the answer in
Beta,
previous
send
class.
again. I have to check the answers. So please type your answers in the chat box and send your answers of question A, all the parts, everyone. आपने कॉपी में
Sir,
किया
of
हुआ है ना बस
exercise
आप.
5.4.
Yes, 5.4 question A. Send the answers of all the 6 parts in the chat box. We will check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Send the answers of all the 6 parts in the chat box. Start writing.
Sir, we are doing 5.4 exercise. I'm on third question.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. 5.4 exercise. Question A, you all have done. You are saying yeah, that you all have done. So just send the answers so that we can just check the answers. Okay. Question A, all the parts.
Sir, we have done till part 3.
Okay, so 3 parts are remaining.
No, sir, I have done all the parts.
अच्छा बेटा जिन बच्चों के हो गए हैं all the 6 they can send their answers in the chat box. Those who have not done all the 6, some parts are remaining, 1 or 2 or 3 parts are remaining. You can complete right now. Start doing.
So I send the parts, all the parts. Sir, today we will start 5.5, sir.
Yes, today we will start exercise 5.5. First, let us check all these answers.
Sir, we have to do exercise 5.4 in the book only.
Yes, you have to do 5.4 in the book.
Sir, please check my answer. I think.
Beta Neet, just wait. We will check all the answers together. Let them
Okay.
complete.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I also send all the answers.
Okay, very good.
Sir, I sent the first and second one.
Okay, all of you, I am giving you all the answers. Check your answers of all the parts.
Sir, please wait for 1 minute. I am doing the last one.
Okay, complete it. Chalo. Complete the last one.
So now we can start.
Yes. Adya beta, have you done?
Sir, I'm typing the last answer.
Okay. Okay, first answer. 1 crore 23 lakh 10,428. Second answer. 5 crore 98 lakh 45,968. Answer of the second part. Third part.
Sir, I have sent all the answers.
Very good. Third part. 2 crore 55 lakh 13,087. Fourth part. 27 crore 68 lakh 63,328. Fifth part. 7 crore 91 lakh 1,564. 38 crore. Last part. 38 crore 77 lakh 39,935. Yeah. Check all your answers. Nihit, Adya, Adeshika, check your answers. All the answers are correct or not? Others also. Yes. Who has got all the answers correct? Tell me, beta, all of you.
Sir, my last one is wrong.
Sir, my third one.
Okay, correct your mistakes. Do these questions. Agar suppose there is any mistake in any of the question, you can do it again afterwards. Correct it. Okay. Now we are starting with exercise 5.4. Have you all noted the correct answers?
Yes, sir.
Sir, my first answer is wrong.
Okay, बेटा उसको सही कर लेना बाद में. So let's start with exercise 5.4. Sorry, 5.5. It is having word problems. Question number 1. Mandavi beta, how are you? मांडव्य बेटा कैसे हो?
Sir, I am fine.
Where are you? Are you there in the school?
No, sir.
No. एक
No,
गाना
sir.
सुना दो मांडव्य। मैं
No,
किसी
sir.
और का हूँ फिलहाल वाला गाना सुना दो बेटा।
Sir, that is not my favorite.
Which song is your favorite?
What, sir?
Which song is your favorite song?
Sir, don't know.
You don't know? कोई भी सॉन्ग आपका फेवरेट नहीं है?
No, sir.
अच्छा तो बेटा एक काम करो, कैन यू रीड क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 5.5? बुक से देख के पढ़ दो उसे।
Sir, what?
रीड क्वेश्चन 1 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 5.5।
Okay, sir.
पढ़ो बेटा।
Sir, 5 point. Solve the given problems.
हाँ
In a housing society, there are 48 apartments. If each apartment's cost rupees 7,23,495, then how much will the builder earn by selling the apartments in the block?
वेरी गुड। चलो नाउ योर रीडिंग इज वेरी गुड। अब एक काम करो, इस क्वेश्चन को एक बार अपने दिमाग में मन में फिर से पढ़ो एंड देन ट्राई टू टेल मी दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू इन द क्वेश्चन। एक बार अपने आप
Okay, sir.
अपने एवरीवन प्लीज रीड द क्वेश्चन, ऑल ऑफ यू, इन योर माइंड।
Sir, I understand.
Okay, tell me what to do in the question, Mandavya.
Sir, there are 48 apartments. In each apartment cost rupees 7,23,495. And there is sir a builder who is selling all the apartments in
Okay.
the block. So,
Hmm.
sir, in this we want to sir
Multiply. So cost of one apartment, you know, each apartment, cost of each apartment is 7,23,495. So how will you
And
find
sir,
the
we
cost of
have to
48?
count the number of apartments.
Huh. The number of apartments are 48. So the cost of all the 48 apartments कैसे निकालेंगे? By multiplying. Okay. So can you all write these statements on your own, or do you want any help in writing the statements?
Sir, we can write.
Sir, we
Okay.
can write.
Okay, very good. Write down these statements and find the answer. Statements लिखिए जल्दी से. I will give you the statements, my statements also. I know you all will write correct statements only. So start writing these statements. Then we will check the answer. Beta, have you all written the statements and the question you all have
Sir,
solved?
please wait for
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
Yes, sir.
बेटा वीडियोस ऑन रखिए आप लोग अपने. Okay, so
Sir, please wait for 1 minute.
okay. I am writing the statements. You check your statement. हो सकता है आपके statements थोड़े अलग हों, no problem. Cost of each apartment.
मेरा मौसी को फोन आया है.
Beta, please keep your mics off. Rupees 7,23,495. This is the cost of each apartment. The cost of 48 apartments. What will be the cost of 48 apartments? You will multiply 7,23,495 by 48. So find the product. 723,495 multiplied by 48. What is the answer? बेटा बहुत देर लगाए हैं
Sir,
आप
the
लोगों ने.
answer is 29517760.
Okay,
नहीं अभी बात
let's check.
करवा रहा हूँ.
I am doing the product here.
तो आओ ना. हाँ
Beta, please keep your mics off. Thirty-six, 38, 3, 16, 19, 1, 12 plus 1, 13, 1, 9, 28. So 0, 6, 7, 7, 2, 7, 4, 3. So the answer is rupees 34 crore 72. No, not even 34 crore. It is 3 arab 47 crore 27. नहीं. It is 34 lakh. कितना आ रहा है? 1, 2, 3 crore. Sorry, 3 crore 47 lakh 27,760. This is the answer. 3 crore 47 lakh 27,760. Adya, your answer is correct. Adya beta, your answer is correct or not?
Yes, sir. Sir, please wait for a minute. I'm checking.
Yeah, correct.
Sir, there is some little mistake.
Correct it. I have done the solution here. The whole solution is there on the board.
Sir, I have corrected.
Okay. Let's do the next one. Question number 2. Who will read it?
Can
Yes.
I read?
Yes,
Can I
Riddhi.
read it,
Riddhi.
Devang?
Yes, Riddhi, read the question. Question
There
number 2.
are 430. Okay, sir. There are 438 students in the hostel. Each of them pays 98,875 for meals per year. How much do they pay or do for 1 year? Sir, the first statement is student in the hostel is equals to 438.
Very good.
They pays, they pays for meals per year is equals to 18,000.
Very good. After that, your voice is not coming, Riddhi. Riddhi. Audio is
Sir,
disconnected.
the class is going to be over.
Abhi hai beta. There are 4 minutes left in the meeting.
No, sir, 3.
Yes. So I am explaining the question. So there are 438 students in a hostel. Each student pays rupees 18,875 in a year for meal. Okay, so this much amount in 1 year each student is paying for meal. Meal मतलब जानते हैं आप लोग खाने के लिए. For lunch, breakfast, dinner, everything. The total amount that one student is paying is rupees 18,875 for the whole year. You have to find a total amount how much all together सारे students ने मिलके कितना amount pay किया होगा for meal. So one student का आपको पता है आपको 438 students का find करना है, so you will multiply 18,875 multiplied by 438. Find the answer. Write down these statements and find the answer. All of you start doing. Have you all understood the question? Yeah, tell me, Avika, Naman, Adya, Riddhi, Virat, have you all understood the question?
Yes,
Student in
sir.
the hostel and they pay
Start doing, all of you.